Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. It has been a weird couple of months since the break-in. A lot's happened. We've just been plugging away really, getting things sorted. Billy has got that starting now, so that does sound absolutely nuts. This old thing, I've owned it for a long while now. It was going to be my drift car, and then we got the coupe, and then this got forgotten about, and then we got the California. This has just been completely forgotten about. It was a 1.6. We've now finally got the 1.8 in it. We've got an M44 in it now, which is all good. So that has been fully refreshed now. So we've got new sump gasket, new rocker cover gasket, new front and rear main seal. It looks nice. It has been cleaned up very nice, ready to hopefully shred. So spent a bit of money on it, in fairness. Got some new hubs for the front, new inner out tie rods. Got the Porsche 911 inners and the 36 outers. These went missing from those coilovers, so I had to ring Pro Sport to get some new ones. So that should sit a lot better now. We've got the offset lollipops. Hopefully they don't spin like they did on Billy's car. And I've never bought a brand new arm before, but I've got brand new arms with the Millie heavy duty ball joints in. So Billy did actually buy me the heavy duty ball joints to press into some arms. We decided we might as well just get some nice new arms for it. I had a little look and found them with the ball joints already in for about 140 quid. So it saves a job. I think the ball joints on their own were about 60 quid. Brand new arms with factory 36 ball joints in were about 80 quid, so it just made more sense to buy them with the heavy duty in. So looking forward to getting that on. So that is the job for today, is to get that front end completely reassembled, back together, get it down. Fingers crossed it should be driving today. It is about there, so we'll see. Oh, too late. Green. I've now got the compact all back together, minus the front bumper. So we've got lovely new inner outer tie rods, new hubs, new arms with heavy duty ball joints on as well. So that should be good to go. Probably will end up getting some lock adapters from Poland. Then we need to trim the tie rods down as well. But I do also need to get the boots for the tie rods. So I'll get those ordered up and then get it back together and drive it. Thanks very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.